Money, yeah.
Yeah, that. I man make me accept them, car. If you play with them, Because I say, Talia do him thing and, yeah. Alright. I feel him thing.
The boy, I want bad man on TikTok, make
So,
y'all
I feel him thing.
make
So,
transmission
me and him step
tripping.
over here, fuck some
And
people.
him show it all the wood to blood clot.
This boy that, what your name?
Some people want to say
Name
and say
one
want
cup
to say
of
red.
sauce.
And me and
One
the
cup
dog
of sauce?
are
Yeah.
and some style.
I him them they blame
You see me,
Naya
cause you me I show you, say me believe in a friend. I believe in a friend in a youth.
When Naya did him have to run away from him
bro,
place.
me ever get fuck with friend that over years,
Yeah.
You see me, dog? So it's just you
But
believe
through
in a
him
friend.
did get in a big argument
Believe
with
in
Naya
this money
before
too
him dead
much
him and they
love.
want
And I
to
say me and him
suspect.
a dog, and half of me and him apart. Which them man in a happy to say, them man they just have it fee money to clout off of me, and him a make $1, and him a add the transmission them over here, me and him a play with them, and people go beat up my name and make my thing look shaky. And that me find out what you do in Italy. Yeah, dog. That me find out what you do, dog. You see me, dog? And me I say, Bumbo Cloud, you, dog, watch out now. You see me, Captain Bob? Yeah, man. So me I say, yo, watch out now, dog. From me, the inner the spot your people, gonna tell me this people. From a little thing occur with the transmission and this in there. You know, say Tally no link me. Tally no link me. You don't know what this is.
Yeah.
So
know what I go
man,
on.
they not link me. Normally, them man, they link me and I say, yo,
Yeah, tell her to follow me now,
dog,
me and left
I
us.
say, yo, Tally, you not come on, dog. And them, when them man, they turn around over them, I ask you, Earl, say, yo, what cup of sauce, you know, see cup of sauce, tell him me, I call him and sitting there.
Yeah.
Them man, they not link me again. You see me? Them man, they not link me again, dog. So them man, they go so boom, so
follow anybody will follow me, so once you follow me, I see you.
And feel like, say, yo, we are weak soldier now. We have left in a blood clot. We have left in a stress and depression. We can't live in a stress and depression, you because watch this now, you. We don't see some energy drainer. And we don't see style. Here, you. So you see. You see things on what do you, dog.
A long time you know that man,
man. You know already, dog.
I'm not going to primary school, you know them man.
The media just be a few people upon the media. Be a people who can't face the truth upon the media. And you see true where some you do is all about the truth. So you see if a thing goes so, I saw we go tell you to say go. You see if a thing go down, I see him so we go tell you to say forward down. You see me? So this youth you know dog, my youth be a transmission with me and him a play dog. People, I never bumbo clad.
No man, right there. The next road after TSP. You have Auburn and then Berwyn. Yeah. Around the church, yeah. No, it's not to move now, but today. Yeah.
This boy I come over and beat up my settings. And when transmission is up,
give me a number now.
King Taliban, big up man. And watch you know King
Yo,
Taliban.
take his number for me. Take it, cause me I record this. Take it for me. Oh, you're on live too.
Come over here,
Martin.
And you see just show me stay so.
What time later we are?
We are really listening and we are bluffing with dog. So
no, me I go work tonight.
And we and him there more than 1 day, more than 2 days, more than a week, more than 2 weeks.
And we go 5 o'clock.
And we go embrace him and try making things work to like our thing.
4 o'clock. Alright. Give me a number.
You see me dog, so watch you now dog.
50211
From all that situation, blood clot at marker over here.
You can see everything there.
Them man in a link me dog. Them man in a link me. Them man they over some place man in life sit down for my name.
What name?
And talk and I laugh with some people. Then me don't see man my youth.
Yeah man, but are you me a wait man? Today we can do it.
1, 2, 3. Level 21.
Yeah man, when you
see man my youth. Me see man and the dirty transmission on him Emily over here.
Even know you see that here.
You don't know the dirty transmission they on him Emily. A screen recording me see Taliban. I sit down, I call me name. with Emily and some silly, you know, man, you can't take it for joke and a laugh, you know, you. After when you see, I'm over here, brother, and you see the transmission, I try to shake you, but people think,
how much more good left for go spend
and
on
you
it?
still, I take it for a joke, you title morning, you still I take things for a joke and sit down with transmission. I make fun and joke and laugh. Hey, that them man didn't link me, I know, dog. I know.
Can I make them money and fix it?
I know, them man, them man, they are only own, dog. And still say, dog, I hold them man, and they were Slime and Jaden in there, you know. Yeah, because what you think, say, insist and shake you, me think. Insist and try to shake you, me think.
I keep believing
see
for
what
them,
one
man.
pan it up and he hear a whole up a backlash and a bun out and I say this and I say that. Yeah, hear that? Oh, that boss lady, big up in a boss lady. Man, as a man in my baby. So watch you now, dog. Me just try to show you, dog. Say, bro, friend not real, dog.
Come on, later we circle him.
You hear that?
I'll circle you later.
You see me, dog? Title, friend not real. Friend not real. You man come over here to come beat me up, dog. You man come over here. Yeah, man, Susie, but see, man, you see, Queen T, big up my baby. Me just show some people, dog, how some man fucked up, dog. Boss lady, Queen T, my baby, them.
Look up more, you show me bed with a bus.
No transmission over here, if you had no transmission in a dog.
Yeah, man.
Me no transmission, no friend over here, me no know them and them no know me, no dog. And this boy named Tally in my youth, every time me and him
no, but me still have to tell you how
man had a transmission and a laugh. And then like sitting there till it becomes a norm. Because every day in doing it, so it becomes a norm. So man just stay and all the vibes and I play with them and them see when I say, Joe, Tally have to do what I have to do to make free money. You know, me leave but watch that dog. So go on all the vibes with the dog.
What the bigger one?
I know when he had them, so mad and shit. Cuss and diss them and some style. You see me code out, big up with that. So, him get the benefit off of it. And people are trying to make my thing look shaky off of it. You see me, dog? And watch this now, people. From all of this occur, dog. From all of this occur. Tally used to link me on WhatsApp a morning time and a little thing. Me link him or he link me. Them man didn't link me again. Because you know what? In get back.
Children.
In get back in name for it.
Yeah, man. But anyway, I can't sleep. I have a bed where I'm there. But I never move from there, so another week where I come, the fuck of them I move. I don't know why, I vex the fuck.
They move here when they want to move here.
Yeah, they move here, yes. So I have my laptop, I have it on my bag, you know, I go work, I just roll out my laptop, sit down, bun wheel and thing there, and the fuck of them I come move, man. You know. I wonder if I want security will come over there one day. I give him all weed, I wonder if him got thing there, you know. Or something. And the boys creep up on me and see me I cut up my weed. I don't trust him and then he beg me some. Boss me did frost me. She never know. I never like that boy there. I don't know him, you know. What day him start work.
Alright, come like Tally not even the all want me contact. For sure.
Like him a take on thing.
Come like them man that you want me hold that as a secret. When transmission come leak things and bring me down wicked. Because me I tell you something, me never come out contact, you know. And when the transmission come out contact, you know. That would have wicked up on me, you know. And some people attack at them time there, you know, when the people would have say, yo, cup of sauce a real batty man, you know. You see me? And try bring me down wicked, you know. But watch you know, you and me come out contact bad fam. You see what me I say, dog? Remember say when the transmission see me attack, you know, that one live, the transmission can't believe, you know. I drop it one drop down, you know. Cause remember say, you know, the transmission I tell him say, you know, it never did ever come out contact nothing or say nothing, you know. And me, it's if I'm live attack, you know. So wait for do it, I come out come. Bro, I don't care. Me no want you keep nothing. Me, I come out contact. Because I know me no batty man, I know we no support batism. So if that reach me and for 2 weeks, And then me find out say bumbleclot is a transmission. This you think say me a go hold that? I hold more and hold if you cut off your head, man, and leak out your blood. Let me tell you that bumbleclot, they leak out your blood and cut off your blood clot head. And the greatest thing now, you know, can talk and them thing, they can watch this now. Over phone, transmission not dead nowhere near me. Transmission the way in one different part of the world, and me the way in one different part of the world. So watch this now. At the end of the day, you know, some pussy attack and attack. Look how much money in our life get tricked. Me not gonna be first, me not gonna be last. Neither forget trick. Look how much man get tricked. Me just know say the transmission what trick off of me can't trick no more youth over here. Cause me make sure show it up over here. You see me? Me make sure show it up over here and make you then see it and know it so it can't go around and trick no more youth over here. It make you see transmission vex and eat me so you know. You see me? The transmission vex and eat me so you know, cause watch you know. When me go so boom so and show it up over here and make everybody see. Every youth aware now. It can't go on no more youth life or nothing. You see me? It can't go on no more youth life or nothing. Go try tricking no more youth. So come on, youth. What no I say? What no a bumbleclot say? When you can't call we fish brother. I want to call we blood clot fish. You know I eat that. When you can't call we fish bad man. No day, no time. Anything.
So somebody crash it.
Jay Solid said, don't worry yourself. We all know it's not your fault. You see what I said that? Anything will happen just happen. Anything will happen with me and the transmission. And I like say, me know say a man. Me don't know a man, so anything will happen, fuck that, I don't give a fuck. So, some pussy boy Rhyme Minister, where the America in a house, you know Rhyme Minister. Big sub pussy bottom
Wow,
man Rhyme Minister, iron balloon how long we can bust.
Don't this Rhyme Minister.
Look how long you are DJ and look how much things you have to do. And me see you build song with me name in it. Batty boy. You can't be jealous like me no day in your life, Rhyme Minister. You see me?
Oh, boy.
You can't be jealous like me no day in your life, right, mister? You can't mix me in a fish no day, batty boy. You can't build a song about me. Yeah. Big son pussy. Study mode high school here, Shalom. Don't call me name, cause remember say you, Shalom, have Batman blood in you. Remember say your brother, Shalom, is a transmission in a real life. Batman, man will fuck Batty in a real life, Shalom. And you and him have the same mother and the same father. Look how you and him favor like twins, Shalom. So tell me now, Shalom, you have little tip of blood in you. How you come by a call my name? A man will have little tip of blood in them. How then come by a call my name now? Big Batman, Shalom, study mode, Shalom. We suck white girl pussy for your living. How you come and call my name, Shalom? No call my name, man, Shalom, man. I'm gonna suck your mama, man.
Yeah.
You don't want nobody, man. You can't bring me down over here. Pussy me a maestro, me a monster. You feel like a easy thing it take to bring down monster over this youth. Me a monster batty boy. Me gigantic batty boy. You can't bring me down.
You have a
The
number.
greatest thing, your whole life female.
Don't let me down, you know.
Alright, who can't tell your female say cup of sauce a fish over here? Go suck no mother, man. You know I eat that.
I try to put you in a street, but you have to go suck
a fish. You know fool no pussy clad. Suck no mother, genius. Suck your mother. Suck your mother, genius. Bumble. Go suck no mother. You can't test. And that on a bad mind over here. Because you say you can't test. When you see you can't blood clot bring me down, no matter what you try. When you see no matter what you do, me unstoppable. Me coming like a runaway train. Real one, big up yourself. Me forward like a runaway train, and you can't stop me. So Italian, let me tell you this, youth.
I see him expensive.
Moisha, where you going? Moisha, you know see pussy them over here, I try fish out your brother thing, Moisha, man. Yeah, dog, you see them there, I try fish out, me think a little thing going with a transmission over here, Moisha, where me never know see a transmission. You see me? Yeah, cause you know a pussy them make themselves like woman, and they on the upper ground and trick you really out them, you see me? Yeah, so at that go on with one I transmission them over here, and me find out and come talk. Cause Moisha, you know what thing, Moisha, you know, so we're straight from the band. You know the system, Moisha, know what thing. So then little batty boy over here, you know. Them I try bring with them over here, you know. And I try get the best away, cause like them things say we are idiot or have time for waste for them get the best away. You see
So
me?
you jacket it over there.
Victor, big up. You see me, dog? Him man them. So what you know?
Later me I
People,
come up
alright,
and me
people,
I
me
take the
ask
best
you
from
a
man.
question. Me
I
ask you a question. People, remember saying that R.I.P. Bello, rest in peace, me dog. You know that. I wish dog that say that. Yo, people, remember saying people. Me come out, come talk, and make you rest of you them aware over here. We don't know the transmission. Remember saying before me know say a transmission. Every day me see it and be a youth see them over here play my chance on sitting. And I talk how much in man I look it. Them time the meeting say a woman too. The rest of you them think a woman too. So you see what me do, me proud of myself for what me do.
Yeah,
It come at me, yes, come try trick me, yes, but what? I wrong somebody. It come at now, cause me find you out and me never did a hold nobody secret. You see me? And me never did a hold no transmission secret. Fuck you, I over phone me and you talk. I over phone anything. I don't give a fuck about you. Where you want to show. Or where you want to come out and talk. Cause at the end of the day, pussy.
where do the shoes are for you to give?
Good luck, big up. At the end of the day, pussy. Anything where you do, I when me think say you is a woman. So me finding out say you is a man.
Where do the shoes are for you
Yeah,
to
me I
give?
tell you, JMX dog. Me find out say you is a man.
Oh.
I will rest of you them over here. Show you up to the rest of you them over here. People wanna tell me, oh boy and girl, I say cup of sauce and fish. And I run with me name for the whole media cup of. Bro, nobody not perfect. Bigger man than me get tricked by transmission.
Right.
Rich man get tricked by transmission. Man, we are murderer get tricked by transmission. Me is a social media person. So what if me get tricked by transmission? And in a real life, over phone transmission, the way a different country, I mean the way a different country. Where some pussy attack say. You see me fight back? So me don't know what them a pussy I say dog. Don't pay them no mind. It's dirty share. Pay him if do it to you. Share. Yeah, cause all of them a try bring me down. Cause all of them bad mind me over here. Them bad mind me for woman them when me have a blood clot support me over here. Them bad mind me for who me be over here. Cause they see me I want youth. They see me I want youth dog. We want youth with us different. We just unstoppable. So them a try everything for stop we. Big sub pussy Shalom. I school yo. Shalom. Me see my run and make video call me name. Shalom no call me name Shalom. Don't call me name Shalom, cause you have one big dirty Batman brother, you. Don't call me name you. Batman blood in a you, Shalom. Your Batman brother, you and him look like twin. You're trying to trim. Shalom, you're trying to trim. That's all me can tell you, Shalom. Do not trim. Cause you see any of you trim, Shalom, you and that Batman brother where you have a name JJ are identical twin. So best thing you do keep on the rasta. Cause I want to know how you have a Batman brother who have the same mother and the same father. So the Batman blood in a you. Shalom, you carry a little tip of blood, but now when you see things reach you over here and run come build video. One come bring down you. You can't bring me down Batty boy. At 3 months straight, you try to bring me down over here with my friend thing, Naya thing. Remember Naya my friend, you know. Remember me and Naya sit down over here and play bumbuckler morning, noon and night, you know. And man going on Naya yard go kill Naya. And my name will call at the end of the day as a cup of sauce know about. A man come from Waterhouse and cup of sauce take money. Like we don't bribe bumbuckler, hungry belly and wanted pussy clad safe like me. When you see me a walk at the crime, when you see me hungry for take money, if you set up my friend them, when you ever hear of set up our friend, or we say we a friend killer, how you fi come and mix with that? And you say till that played out and the whole TikTok see everything happen tonight and see all I know do things tonight and see everything and everybody come apologize and everybody forward back and say cup of sauce, we sorry. We didn't know say you don't know nothing about that cup of sauce. We didn't know say you know nothing with that you and I friend. I remember say them same one did bring me down 3 months back, you know. So you see over here so bro, you have to savage. You have to savage over here, so you have to heartless, brother, over here, so you have to just know, say, over here, so a friend thing. Yeah. Over here, so it's no friend thing. If you're a man link, you're a man just link. And when you come off my screen, you fuck a nigga. You don't give a fuck about a nigga again. You don't remember about a nigga again. I saw you have to deal with over here, so can watch you now. Believe in a friend too much youth. What the feel like? What the youth you are saying now, dog? What go on now? Me here say that for my name, I try to look clout off of my name. No more lad. Clout with what? Pussy. Yeah, I am Batman up top. They for my name. No, watch out now. Me say something to you, man. Hold on now. We are talk, man. Yeah, reason. Listen, remember I said that you was my dog for all the time. People might be know say me and your dog. But me know say me and your dog for all the time before all of them senior come out by your name. Remember I said, and me and you used to play. We have one another number, you link me and me link you. And we come on and play and make money. Alright. All of them things you crop up by your name and all of them people. Me knowing myself, you know. Remember I said me knowing myself, you know. Say I don't know for sure. Me know say I saw you turning up. Me know you're a madman. Me know you're cooking. Me know you're a mad party boy cooking in the business board nobody. Don't you just say me a party man, but you know me a big party boy cooking. Listen me man. You are a party boy in real life, man. But what you know, if a man dog, you will do anything to make your money and get your clothes, which me no business about that. Cause man, if you do them, if you do to survive. You have your pilly them and you have your woman and you have your life to survive too. So no boy can't tell you what to do once you survive, you survive. The transmission, you know,
177.
Try to shoot me now. Remember you first try off fighter. It try off a king to you. You see me? You know how it come deco with Yanni 20 day try off fire. Me don't know how it and king come deco. But me know say no. Me wait come try off and me never need a one. We need a contact. Say it's talk, but we can't talk now. It won't the whole of them my you because they must say, oh, glad. The boy, remember I take the transmission right now. That the transmission they can't come from our country. You know, remember say everybody know it. You see me say it can't come over your country. No more you. So it hate me now and it can share them and try everything for bring me down. Me see you and share them and try bring me down, you know. I'm just laugh and me I say look on the youth you have. Look on the youth you way. This a youth way. All the whole upper say my body man. They still can't come from the street and tell me say my body man come in know this state. I look at you. No, what's that? Ask who I do that. Ask you. I will not know. Me I shoot you. Say something to you, bro, and you black me. I'm say. Say, I joke me around the comment section. I'm going to look and say, yo, go so them. Yo, you think I joke black him? You know I'm black here, you know. Because you clear to say me a dog. Mama say you me a dog. I troll dog. Me daily comment section, I'm a troll bro. Watch out, I'm friend. You say, alright, I didn't think I me ever get fucked over here now. Let me ever get left over here and ever reach in a certain spot. Because you know with me, you know. I believe in a friend and from the same rating. So, and them thing that reach me over here now, you know, I believe in a friend too much and rate someone too much with a rate. Look what Italian do me. No, look what Italian do me. Remember say Italian 17 and 17 mad over here, you know. And me and you used to play and them thing there, you know. And Italian 17 mad, you know. And the man run giant me thing. Richard Curran had be a transmission over here when me and him play at daytime. Had be a transmission. People think say me know transmission. Remember I don't know the transmission them can know, you know.
177, right?
All of them we know this boy Italian, we know them, you know. As bad as things be, me have to rate you, because when me used to link and play every day, I never had one transmission yet. Me never see you do that yet. And you know them, you know. I mean, never and what you know, you see friend, the transmission I try to chase off for everything I'm coming to talk them, and they won't have a try with me, and I say what them I say. Italian link me, Italian come over here, say, you know, Italian send me a match for something, you know. So
don't forget a party too, right?
And all the while, a friend put me in a
go on, killer.
So me just try to show you, dog. Let me show you something there,
dog. Man.
You see, watch out.
Cash, but my friend.
Yeah, I want dog. When me like never run a transmission too. That I want to pray, dog. Watch out, I'm a pray thing as tough, you know, dog. No joking, I'm a pray say, blood boy. You know, bad boy. You might go shake you. You bad boy. You know, say, bad boy. You just have an image. Rough you. So, when you use on fire, Even if we play one match with the transmission and me a troll them, we will never think to add you.
I'm a brother, I know.
So me now shake up the warrior thing them way there, you know that. Cause some me have you as you know. So it's when me see you play with them now, me I say. It shocked me, cause me I say. Yeah, good morning. No. Good morning. I can't blame you neither too. If you go see that car, when me and you used to a power and a link, I put them straight and you can't add none of them on the screen. But what you know, me I show you what going on with Italy now. Me and him end up go so boom so dog and start link over here. So what you know? Me and him a build one band like when time me and blood clot now I used to power and they over here me dog. Yeah. You see me? So at that time me I say bumbo clad, a Italian thing this dog. So you know what dog, even when I watch all the dog, you know, make it dog add where my hand and do where my doing the sauce. You go and know you there, a whole of vibes and I make your money. Transmission don't know you now, whole of argument with transmission and everything. So make Cali doing things. And this man I keep on add them every day. Remember me, I never had a transmission, I don't follow one transmission and one transmission to follow me. You see me? So the man add the transmission them till people start say, oh, Copper Sauce I play with so much transmission and Copper Sauce it wasn't a youth like that. But which people then don't know say through him I'm a friend and me just give him a strength. Because when he add the transmission them and me cuss them and this them, me and him get score and get kind. Yeah. And in thing work. Remember say them man they drop off and fall off, you know. So you see I fall him on back, you know. And you see fall him on back. Fuck I try to reach me now. No joke, you know, watch you know. May I say something? The two on the bill on one another, you know, bro. Yeah. Watch out. The two on me now I tell you like the two on have a thing going on, you know, bro. No joke, you know. I have a chemistry, so people. I just like how when me and my wife are play, me and her have a chemistry a morning time, you know. Yeah. So you see when you and Italian are play, me now tell you like, you know, get support and have a chemistry. Yeah. So you see fish, no joke, you know. Watch out, any man can add fish and not care about car. Guess what, bro? Real dog add fish. Fish like play match with fish. Nobody knows. I told you, the fish them when they play match with have status and have class and have their money. Yeah. So the one them we are playing with now are the low people. I low life them. What the difference between Destiny and Perry? What the difference between Bams and Perry? What the difference between Perry and Alright. You know how me not to listen, last time me listen here. Yeah, I'm up, you know, and call me name and anything they forget clothes same way, but at the end of the day, me still hear you say Copper Sauce them a bad youth and Copper Sauce can go back in their place anytime I chat. Rare. So at the end of the day, me know you know a thing and you know a badness. Yeah, watch out of that. Me rate it that. Then my old devil. Remember me I used to watch out. Me just vex. Say black me dog, come here say bro. Me have a black dog, here we go on. Oh, Sauce, you black me bro, and that's why you dog. And that's why me go set some woman just start talk with Sherry, bro. Come here say, yo, this is a pussy a black me dog. And that's why me just say, alright, since pussy black me, and I diss me, we got the channel. Yeah, dog, and that's why me go set some boom and go add the channel dog. Me can't believe it, you black me dog, and me I said to myself, bro, me and this man and dog, you have nothing dog. Cause watch on the dog, man know how the internet stay. You see the internet, if you not do nothing outrageous. If you not do nothing outrageous, then you pussy up, nah see. Yeah, dog. Then you pussy up on the internet, nah see, bro. Alright, watch out now. Yeah, Mr. Shalama call me name. Mr. When you tell one the name of foreign artist, Iron Balloon one for so long, man. When you name Prime Minister. Yeah. This song I put my name in there. Me see every single bumper flat on the internet. Over here call me name you. Everybody on the internet. And then watch out. You see, watch out. Even mine one, as much as things they go viral with me, you know, it's not that bad, you know, because people have me as a madman. But you see, because you said so, remember people have you as a warrior, as a gangster, that. So when people come on and people say, behave that way, that. Nah, but please them, bro. Once you start playing much with the transgender, they will bro. And that will come out, that. But watch it now. Convince people, bro. Watch out, no, it's not about trying to convince nobody. A common sense. Remember, say a transmission I try jigsaw, and you come out contact and show up transmission. One more them want to say, all them to say me a fish. Yeah? We did a high transmission secret. We never did a high transmission secret, my friend, and we come out on top. Remember, say transmission I tell Italians, say no, it never did ever say nothing, or it never did ever show no video or nothing, and me see for live attacking, and that's why I come out and show video. But me no business there, me now hold no transmission secret. From the find out in a transmission, me I come tell people, say, one transmission I try trick me. So me don't tell it, me don't care where you want to show, me don't care where you want to have. Remember, say, at the end of the day, anything where you have a show, and anything where you have, I will me think say you was a blood clot woman. You get where me I forward from my friend? So me no business where to want to show them. And I like say me know say a transmission and I show you them. And I show you that I whatsoever. So then time that when you in a woman farm, and me think say you was a woman. But me find out say it's a transmission now. Alright, may I show you something? You see that same transmission there? Yeah. Inbox. You see, from a look on the face, me say, a man that on the hand them. Because me can't tell a man
unless him probably a free say, him know how you start him customer. And maybe you have start
Listen up, wait on me just explain myself now, bro. Yeah. It's when it message me. Me look, first thing me do, I look on the thing. I'm going to start look, because he's a man, bro. It's when a woman said something, and I take certain picture, and a woman takes certain picture.
But then if the minute him call me, I put me on to them.
Say, if them, I know them panty, them I go show they look a rough part.
Yeah.
And then as a sideway, this is a way
Go and sleep, man.
it's a
Sleep,
tranny.
go sleep.
Same time pick up, but me just a work with the flow car. That's why the tranny said they can't get cheap. And me say, yo, send me money. And the person said they want to see naked. They want to see me thing and rare before they send me money. And said, no, sir, send me money and me send you car. Once the person did send me money, I would have blocked them straight away because I know it's a tranny. So when they talk to the person, so basically, you understand what I'm saying? You find out you're trying and you still need to entertain it because you want to rip off it off again, right? Of course, yeah. Alright, so people, all of them, just want to show people, so people look at the situation. Remember, it reached them, you know, and they find out a tranny and know a tranny and still.
No, big man thing. All me I do I tell him, say, he not sleep last night. Him up the whole night.
You can't tell me that Rasmus Berry pussy.
What kind of that you tell me around there, sir?
May I ask you a question as a friend? Why you would never know? You know, sorry, why you would have sex up woman?
Shut the fuck up then.
Really strip. That's so easy to strip. Oh, strip, brother. You see, I'm close me and sit down and just flip me things and put my thing in my pants. You're blind. No, why you don't
yeah, Jim go sleep. You come see him around here, so and him tell me say him up the whole night. He said party last night, so me expect him up the whole night.
So
you never tell me that.
I remember saying that in myself and my mind is a woman, you know.
And that's why I'm going
to transmission or I say it's a man. Me I say it's a woman. No, so he says it's a woman, bro. Listen,
from foreign. He might go stay out there so till money comes from foreign.
I show you. Even if it's a woman, bro, you're not supposed to just...
You make him wait or something. Please.
And normally add them in a match with you, all the other one way. Wait no, Italy normally. How you talk to that one before you meet Italy? Listen, you said before Italy had it trying them. Yeah. But It's a blood clot text me and I call me before Italy had the tranny them. And that me assure you, you hear me say right thing, that me I tell you. So someone me reason with sense.
So wait, let me ask you a question. So before you and Italy did ever link up and play a match with the tranny them. That one day takes a long time before.
No, long time. Remember about 2 weeks me and the tranny chat or see, you know, man. What kind of long?
How long your Italian start play match?
Listen, you see like me and it, alright. For instance, tranny. For instance, tranny I text and call me a week. Me and Italian a play a match long before that, but Italian just start at the tranny them. Remember, my man never used to have tranny when me and him a play. I since I played, let me see.
Watch out. May I tell you something? From Italian, for a long time, Italian are had tranny.
Long time. But then I hear me as a bad man.
No, I'm just hear what you say.
When me and Italian just start out to play, Italian not had tranny, brother. And I see me man start doing it after. And me I say, how the bumbo like this? Dog, what kind of style is? And he start laughing and the dog say, how do you cup of sauce? How money would they making up? Business for people at the end of the day. When I say that, we say, how money would they make me the business for people?
Yeah. So, alright. 3 more rows there, guys. So, may I ask you a question? 3 more rows there. 3 rows in the team. Catch it double, man. One half wait for catch it double. So you said so boom and I play a match with the tranny then. You see like how that happen you know. You not play back no more match with the tranny them. Like how this happen.
Brother, play back with you. Brother, almost a play back match with tranny, you know. When time.
Alright, you not play back no more match with the fish.
You ask me a question and me answer, you ask me a question again. You have to ask me, almost go play back match with tranny now. Remember say that I never mind thing, you know. Italian always had tranny when me and him play. So I suppose me always play with them if you see me and him play. Or me if you go play match with tranny now. When this go happen and people are trying to steal me name over here. Brother, me not play about no more match with no more tranny over here, bad man.
But so that means you not play match with bombs, none of them man did it.
No, me not play about no more. Bombs send me request till in week, you see they allow me to answer. Me not play about no more match with none of them bad man. Cause watch you know, me sister at this side style with Tally come with over here for shake you me thing.
Yeah, but watch you know, bro. It no matter where you want to sit, you know. You see the people, them, bro. Watch you know, bro. Brother, me see man did like go yesterday, you know, bro. Yesterday, me see a big live go out with you, know, bro.
Alright, listen me now. No, wait, let me answer. Let me address the part, you know, please.
You know, me don't talk.
Let me address that where you just said, man, go people, man. You have to let me address the things them where you say.
No, but me never don't talk. Me never don't talk.
You don't talk for me know where you say. Friend, you say where you say me know.
No, brother, I wish we have a reason as a man, you know.
Bad man, listen what I say, bad man. Me not live, listen one thing with us.
The boy and love bad people on TikTok.
Boy and girl can sit down and talk till them weak and drop down and dead. Boy and girl can't start and turn on my life one single day over here. First of all, boy and girl can't see me in the street and look for me. That's the one I first thing. A boy can't see me in the street and call me fish.
And everybody think that, yeah, I said him get catch, so nobody now listen him again. Everybody runs down left him. Him now no crowd again and support him. So him that him a try to hear him name. But him never did know him final later. But a lie matter. Because all I'm friend them say them know say she a transgender. And I'm friend them make him know.
So watch me, I really would. Well, if you see, black them himself come from my life, come talk and tell people, say, not like
and
that.
And him love bad up people from the thing and bad man.
Tracy me at the same part video, rare. So listen, let me tell you this now. You see savage, well, who not told me over here, in a savage situation. You see all this, I kiss me teeth, and have a beautiful drink, and take up one cup of tea, and I want me back in a blood, like how if I get full of sympathy. All my business, Kev. And when people over here want to talk.
No, wait. You have to business, you know, bro.
No, watch the business. No, me not.
No, wait.
Man, me not have a business. Listen,
Bro, if me and you talk, and we can't talk.
Me not have a business.
We are reason.
I told home if you tell you say me no business, and you tell me say me have a business.
No, because watch out, brother. Listen to what I say.
Yeah.
You see me, dog? Let me tell you something. We grow in the streets, bro.
Tell me what you tell me. Now come with the grow in the street.
That's why it will lead to this, bro.
To where? Yeah.
That's why it will lead to this.
So what you asking of them, I mean?
Don't talk.
Yeah.
Listen to me. We grow in the streets, bro. And from me see say a street youth. We grow in the streets. Nobody now have to tell me nothing. So it's when you are play match with the fish them, and then a man catch and take out your thing in the fish them, bro. And the man them on the live a tear down yesterday that I said, fucking woman, fucking woman.
Wait, me have to stop you when you're talking, because you see anytime you say wrong thing out of your mouth, me have to correct you. When you say man, listen man, when you say man, when you talk about man, catch you, man will catch me, and me come for me.
The one when I secure to them, I tell them about
Let me talk. So, listen to me.
some of them are from the dirty style, they love people.
What I know is when you go on a man like you know, and you set some boom, and a man a tear, you know, the dog have 1.8K people on him live, you know. Fucking mother in the comment section, them you want to see them. That pussy they can't come back, yes sir. Pussy them. But even when that thing can't tell me say I'm a bad man and rare. Brother, people them a tear down you.
Wait on the man that we are talking.
A bad man them a talk. A truth in all them. And them a run Jamaica. And them look for you, they run Jamaica and do people things.
One man, him we are talking. Give me spoon. Him can't stick up a sauce when I roll and look for me. And then sit down and have to know.
No man, any man can do no man. We are talking about, bro.
Bad man, listen, I them thing that you don't have to know. Boy and girl always have to do this. As what me I tell you, a 3 months to the tear me down over here with Naya.
Brother, you have to be careful like same people, I mean, them hurt, you know that.
Hurt.
Brother, you know what people...
Dave, you think me I want to the same thing?
Brother, me I tell you, man, we hurt the Papa Sauce.
Dave, me are no fool.
Me not say people.
Listen to me. Dave, listen to me. Me, I'm a friend them and a fool. I them think they have to know. Boy and girl have to watch their approach.
Papa Sauce, we know too.
So listen now, when you ever tell me say I'm on the panel live with 1.3K and comment and say, Batty boy,
no, watch out now, all you need to do, bro. A bill, let me come. All you need to do, wait then up, all you need to do is bill.
People need it over your panel live with 10K people panel live and bring me down with Naya. And 10K people in the comments and bring me down with Naya. And that you remember, this is how we used to.
Yeah, but that's why I tell you, say, just build a public apology, bro. And people will. To the people and say, yo, just tell them, say, Jamaica, I'm sorry for what
we don't do them thing there, father. We don't do them thing there.
No, bro, you have to kill it. Watch out now. I saw you going to get back a street credit, you know.
You see my real people, my real people, no, say. Sauce are bad people.
No, but me I tell you, you say you said me on the internet long time, and me I tell you what to do as an internet sensation. Apologize to your people, bro. Just
we don't apologize to people, bad fam. We don't do them thing, man. We don't stoop to Babylon, you. Not there.
You see me I tell you, bro.
Stoop to Babylon, not there, Dev. Listen when me I say, Dev. We don't stoop to Babylon, you. Not there. Apologize to
the people, them.
Hey boy, you know how much in batty pussy, all some old dirty thinking people over here, so who apologize to them? Yeah? Hey boy, remember say some boy over here, so we are chat, we are fuck batty in a real life, you know, we are call me name, you know. Remember say girl over here, we are take fucking and them batty in a real life, we see a call me name, you know. People just don't know, you know, who apologize? Hey boy, I want to tell you, the thing you can bring me that Saddam.
Brother, listen to what me I say. Me I tell you for your own good youth. Apologize to the people.
Dave, listen to me.
Me they apologize, you know, bro. Brother, me will apologize for you.
Listen to me, bad man.
I will an apology for you.
Listen, you see me cup of sauce. Not one of you can think in our mind over here, say, you can't take me down. Really?
Brother, listen to me.
Listen what me I say to Dev. Listen me again, Dev. Not one single happen.
No, man, people will take it down. We are talking about copper
No, why I can't do that? None. Look what
that gate will keep there. We take it down.
Look what the chicken of my own. Show me a beating up. Look why I can't take me down over here. None. No day, no time. No day, no time. Boy and girl can't go do this over here, dog. Chat, take down who? Me a bad man. You can't take down bad man pussy. Boy and girl can't chat. Remember say a week talk what happen. We never did a keep secret. Oh boy and girl to take me down. Boy and girl have to go take down man. We a fuck party and suck pussy.
Brother, let me tell you something. You be the bigger. Watch out.
Take down who them.
Yes, when you apologize, you be the bigger man, bro. You be the bigger man.
When I apologize.
The bag of badness and the bag of tough up you.
Well, none of them never ask you something. Who must you apologize to? Hey boy, I think I make and them I make it.
Listen, 1 minute. Let me just say something. Yeah, watch out now. Yeah, the Jamaica community has man them apology. You get the audience.
We don't apology. We never do not on purpose. We
Brother, you behave like a true ignorant. You see when the ignorance is
we are bad people. We don't apologize to nobody.
Apologize to who? He might apologize to the Jamaican community, bro.
Not like for what? Jamaica know me a straight man. Jamaica know me a bad people. Every boy, you go like a video, people see me a fuck party. Go suck your man out of them, man. Nobody see me a fuck party.
No, I'm not. Me say, but if you take out your Ugi, give a man. If you take out your Tini, give a man.
Brother, I don't know, man. It's a transmission with turn himself in a woman. Go suck your mother and I try trick straight people. I saw you for put.
But he's still a man. Him still is a man.
Yes,
him still a man.
I don't like to mean one
no
man
matter
like
what you want, so he's still a man.
You know, remember, say, the situation reach you to pussy and you know a man.
The person you want me to take out my deal, I'm going to tell the person now.
Listen, me and you different. Remember, you didn't know a man and still a text it and say you want money. Me and you are the same them.
No, from you take out the deal, it worse than what me do.
No, sir, your man.
Once you take out the deal, it worse.
Remember, video card me and dirty transmission screen recorded.
It don't matter, from you take out the deal.
It don't matter for you, it matter for me.
Brother, kill you dead. You can't convince somebody from them see you take out your thing. Show next man, you know.
So then, me I tell you something now. Listen this now.
Yeah.
Listen this now. Yeah, dog. My tap your eyes and listen me now. Cause I don't know this now. Listen this now. Then.
Yeah.
Me coulda take out my hood so over here so. Me coulda take out my hood so over here so. Me coulda take out my hood so. Batty boy at the time me think is a woman. So listen when me I try tell you now. Listen me now. All you chat and chat you know. I tell me about convince pussy. You think me a look boy and girl for convince over here? Me no want convince nobody over here. Me go and know
So alright, so if you not try convince
bad man, listen me.
if you not try convince people, where you talk about them from?
What you mean when me a talk about? Then the world a talk about me so me have to talk. I don't know nobody me a convince.
No, if brother, listen to me.
Yeah.
If you are trying to convince, if you say not care what people think, where you are trying to convince people then?
Brother, you know see me come over here. Listen me, all of who talk, you know see me come over here follow. No pussy.
That's why me I tell you if you do as a man. Apologize to the people then.
No time in your life you will never see that.
Brother, if a man small then, brother,
listen me now, David.
yes, if a man small then themselves one time, you know.
Deb, me and you are two different youth. You are one little shaky youth, me a straight youth. You have to remember.
How do you mean me a shaky you? Where fuck you talk about?
Listen when me say you are shaky youth. Now listen when me say you are shaky.
Where you talk about? You are fucking idiot about shit.
You are one little shaky youth.
Pussy, never take out my good show body man.
Listen me.
Never take out my TV and show man.
Listen me now, man.
You do that. So how me shaky? Now I'm gonna pussy down.
You will apologize to anybody and everybody. Not me. Me are bad people. Me know where me know. And that me I try to tell you. I try to tell you. You will apologize to every and anybody, not Copper Star.
Brother, watch out now. Apologize to your people, then, bro. You see, you used to get them.
Watch out. Let me ask you something. You can't ever live to see that out of your life. You will never live to see that live. Never.
Brother, me I tell you, as a yard man, bro. As a yard man, you smart on yourself for people.
You will never live to see that death. You will never live to see that. Never in your life.
Brother, me I tell you, watch out now, bro.
Someone who look hyper for over here, but apologize. Apologize to pussy.
No, apologize, bro.
Apologize to Batty boy. Y'all gonna let me know say boy a transmission. What the fuck here? Apologize to who?
That's why y'all gotta apologize and clear your name. When you apologize and clear your name.
Oh, I don't need your name to clear. Batty boy, I don't need your name to clear. My community know me a straight man. The street know me a straight man. Me not have to clear the name over TikTok. TikTok I want big up the crosses place. Clear name in your mama man. Clear which name over TikTok. You pussy all idiot. Who fi clear name over TikTok? Yeah, clear which name over
TikTok. Then so you gonna clear your name?
How you gonna fuck clear no name over TikTok? Batty boy, remember I see him thing when I do me with Naya. No forgot. Keep on remembering that. Your brother but clear.
Listen to what I say, bro.
Who will listen to you? Then you can make me listen to you the way you are saying. Yeah?
Brother, me apologize to the people in the youth. What make you think me not get cancer?
Listen, you know, remember say it's a gay. Listen, remember you know I'm on a transmission and you still a text them to get money. Me and you.
But you know him on a transmission. So you look on that them and they know say
Never. No time.
So you know say it's a bad people with that from
no time and never.
Everybody know people, bro.
That can never happen, man. Never.
What you talking about, bro?
That can never happen. I can never know say boy a transmission and chat for that even a second. Never.
What the Zuma me say a tear down, dog, and Zuma I rate you.
Zuma can't tear me down.
Zuma when he rate you.
Alright then, how no fi tear me down and me there so?
Wait, Zuma rate you, bro, and you make the man
Dev, listen.
No, me I say, watch out now, bro. My other in a match with Zuma and the dog same rate the energy, no, bro.
Dev,
and then you make the man lose after you.
Listen, I don't want to look ratings. Dev, listen what me I tell you.
That's why I say, alright, you see if you apologize, bro.
Hold on. Because you not listen to me, so me have to mute him a little bit. Because him no want hear what me have to say. Him want to talk for himself. So listen you know. Brother, let me unmute him. Dev, listen to me. My thing them, I don't no ratings over here from nobody them.
Yeah.
We don't want no rank a rate with. We don't want no stream a rate with. We don't want no body rate with. You know who we want rate with? The real people them we support with and make thing that goes on. And listen now, you see them people know say Copper Star straight. Them people know say transmission a come and try jigs off the thing. Them people know everything. So listen me now. You see once them people where make me survive and them people where make my thing goes on, know say me a bad people and know say me straight. Me no need no other pussy to know that. Me no want to explain to no others pussy over here. Nobody else no mean nothing to me over here. Let me tell you. Two sets of people mean things to me over here. Two sets of people mean things to me over here. Let me tell you who is who. You see me followers them and me gifters them and them mean things to me over here. You see once my followers and my gifters they know say Copper Star straight and Copper Star are bad people. We don't need to apologize or we don't need no ratings from nobody boy. Listen now when you say nobody boy now. Because we are making it intense. Over here have intense. Anywhere we have intense. We don't need no ratings from sub pussy Sodom or Shalom. We are sub white girl pussy for years. Shalom, we have a transmission brother where two of them have the same mother and the same father. So that to means a little tip of blood in a Shalom. Shalom have Batman blood in him in a real life, and that's why you see him trace and go on. So you see me? Because Batman blood in him. Alright now, so pussy rhyme minister now. When the America lock up in the house America and I try look at come back on TikTok with on TikTok artists. That the boy there and nobody a big old waste boy that. Alright now. So alright. The youth are forward from my life last night and he never forward with no violence. He forward and say, yo dog, stop calling me name and bring me down now because I stop calling name. So I now go call him name. He know himself, I go skip him out. So I now go call him name. Alright, Batman Zuma, remember Zuma them you know. Listen this, if you remember good now. Remember Zuma them I first youth over here with a name called Pampati. Remember that? Answer me if you remember.
Yeah, I remember.
Alright. Zuma them I first you them over your name we call Pambati. Alright now, who else I call with name? A girl from over Belgium, me not call her name neither. Me tell myself say, them me not call their name in my mouth and give them no clout. Me not no clout for them. Alright now, who else? Alright, Batty Boy Mountain now. We run go post video and see. Remember Mountain them a big Batty man. And that's why you see Mountain they want every video for post to sit down and watch man video and catch them kicks off a man. Mountain them a Batty man in a real life. So that's why them a try put what them a put on my name. But it can't work. You see, let me teach you about the street them. Because a couple like certain things you don't know them. Them, you see street, yeah. It's street determine every blood clot thing for you. Yeah? Listen this now them. You see from the street, no say, oh that they youth up on TikTok where them a try bring them a chat man. Then you they have bad people. Then you the street like alright. Listen man, me not done. You see from the street know that them and your people know that you're so around them know that bad man, you don't have nothing for you stress up yourself and kill up yourself over. Alright, listen to what I say now. I make it talk, bro. My time to talk now. You see when the streets have you as a bad man, I ain't call for certain things, bro. Yeah. No man, I don't call for you. No, listen what it's street. Just say you have wrong. Listen me no my youth, I just say you have wrong. Listen me. Listen me. You see, call pan no work in our street. Approve work in our street. The street of the sea. Listen me. It's street of the sea fuck what if you neglect you. It's street of the sea suck what if you neglect you. Listen me, what you say? If you want that, then. If you want that, get score. Because me have my score, me have all right for that. Listen what I say. Alright. We're going to get score. Listen me. Push up my score, them. Listen me. You see, it's street. It's guys, neglect you. Neglect you when the street see you fuck party. You see like when the street catch you fuck party, see you on video fuck party, see you so pussy, I sit like that at then time the street neglect you. You can't come out people when street know are genuine people and come with ears and bring them. The street don't work with that. Yeah. Wait, let me talk. No. Let me talk. You see, if the streets have you as a gangster, bro, as a warrior, a whole heap of youth career dead. So look on all. Look how much man you see them catch and them crutches and thing and then career done. Yeah. This way the streets have you as a madman, as a mad dog. Yeah. And a man here in your car from party. Right, listen what me I said on. The street done with you, bro. You can't tell nobody so. You're gangster. Gunman, listen me no, gunman. Listen me. I'm in name Sass Boss. I will run the street. If you don't know, let me tell you right now. Listen up. No. Let me tell you. Because you don't really know me, no. You don't really know me. Me just a virgin on the internet. You don't really know me. Let me tell you about me now. Don't watch me over TikTok. Listen, bad man. Listen me now, bad man. Listen me now. Don't watch me over TikTok. You see street, and we run the street. We have history in our street. We have record where we set in our street. Listen this now then. All of that means nothing. You can't look on one street people over here and tell them to come. All of that means nothing. All of that means nothing. People, listen what me I tell you now. Cause this is you that just come here so. Alright, then let me know if a cloud you come on. Cause it look like a cloud you come on. Are you come on? No, we don't want to cloud. You see street determine my badness. And me I tell Uno this. Listen what me I tell Uno. Not one of Uno over here on TikTok can go in the street but tell the street to come a sauce of fish. And that me still I try tell you. Did I say a fish? Me never say a fish. Me I tell you about the street. Man, me hear about me hear about screen record you say so man. Yeah, you say so. So you know say me a fish to pussy? Yeah, you say so. You say me a fish to? Your blood clot, you say so. Me hear about screen recording I say so. Brother, come on now, bro. 5 bros let me tell you. Alright, we're not making the reasoning get out of proportion. Because we don't want people to say, yo, they can't reason. Look how they want 3 rows and 5 rows let me tell you. Come on, let me tell you. How much this? That's what me I say now. 4 more rows. Because I say we not put up no score. Come on, let me tell you. 3 more rows. Yeah, you have to put up score if you want 5 people, them. 3 more rows. 3 more. That's what me I say now, them. You know why you 3 more rows. Them, you know must get 5 rows, my youth. You know if you talk, brother. The people are not saying, we don't know what we're going. Listen what me I say there. You see any youth where you see get bring down in the street, yeah? And they fall off. You know why they fall off? Get here and tell me. Just guess. Just make fishing. Why they, yeah?
fishiness.
No man, you say enough you name call for fish and suck pussy in the street and after that then career done and then fall off. You know why that happened to them? They tell them.
Why? Guys, push up in school there.
No, listen, because them are weak and then listen me now, them are weak and then live the people. So they listen to the people and then watch the people.
We are lead, we are lead, can you say who are lead? Let me tell you, no care how gangster you want me, no care much people you want kill. You see, once the streets have you as a fish, bro,
yeah,
that means nothing to them. The history, you couldn't have said history in your place from now till the morning. Once people have you as fish, dog, you're done with it.
Listen, you're not hearing me.
No, put up food in the car, that way, bro.
Listen,
We have to put up food in the car.
get this concept wrong over here.
Me not say you, when me talk pertaining to wear overall.
Okay.
Me not say you, me never, when me talk, me not talk you, bro.
Yeah.
All me myself involved in a way.
You have your sport talk.
Yeah, who live talk? All me myself, me not take myself out time. You see from the streets up with certain way, bro. No man not gonna rate with that. No man not gonna bun no split from me. No man not gonna want to share nothing with you. Cause people, you gonna bring disgrace to people that. All when it don't go so, bro. People just are gonna have you that way there, bro.
No, but watch out now. Listen now.
No, put your score in the talk, and that way I play.
No, man. I didn't tell you that look while I'm still making talk.
You tell, but make your team put up score if you want to talk.
Listen what me tell you, I'm still making talk. Listen what me I say now. You know when that thing that reach your my youth, that at one time you're weak and like you have guilty like you that do your accuser. You see from the street system, you is nothing by what they are trying to accuse you of. The street will never blood clot, nigga. Just from the street. Listen to what you see from the street now. Listen what me I say there. You see from the street of, feed them result of you who you be no pussy for me that can bring it down. Let me teach you about street. Now come tell me about street, man. You know, look at what man they try to bring them over here on the street, know them a review. You see they can't get bring them in that street. Never. Never.
Brother, from the streets of the certain
one media. Listen up.
Brother.
Media. Listen to the media, my youth.
Let me ask you a question. You know have king as a big fish? Yes or no?
Yeah.
You know have him as fish?
Oh.
Yeah.
See, I'm a have him as fish. I'm a have as fish.
King a big batty boy, you. King a one big batty boy.
I'm a have as fish.
King a big batty boy.
So king don't say a transmission.
How you mean?
Man, you know a transmission answer, yes sir.
How you mean? My youth, you know. When you stop pick up for man, you. King done in man. King on a career upon there. King on a career upon there. Pussy, we are king on a career.
No, me not pick up for man. The same thing we want to try to do.
Brother, king on a career upon there.
Me want to know if king did know say a transmission.
There we big up yourself, Mercedes, everybody big up yourself. Brother,
transmission.
No, wait there. Don't you see King flap? You see King flap, dog? You see no one going for King?
Every me ask you one question. Brother, one question me ask you. One. The man didn't know a transmission and do all of that. What you saying? Answer me.
Of course. The man know.
You sure say man know say man a transmission?
Then King no batty boy, bro.
Me don't know that.
So you know that. That's why I tell you say King a batty boy. King a batty boy.
Call him batty boy.
King take out him deal and show him man, you know, bro.
Me can't
and jerk out the man mouth, you know.
Bad man, me don't know the man from now if you call him man batty man. Listen me. Me don't know the man now from now if you call him man batty man. Me can't call him man.
Kings are fish,
you say that.
Kings are fish.
You say me not say. You say king of fish, not me. Me don't know what you from now.
The whole internet of king as fish.
People, me no business about the whole internet where one have king as fish. You see, same thing when them a try to me over here. Maybe I that them looking. Maybe I that them do things. Maybe King now go powerful like me. Maybe King now go outspoken like me. And maybe King now go stand up for your rights like me. But you can't come make me judge a man say man and a batty man. Me don't know King from now if you can't say man a batty man. You can't make me come say man is no batty man. Me don't know about that. Me don't know about that, bad man. People send use it gloves to it. No rose. Bless up, don't send no rose for the gloves. Please. Thanks for rose, but don't send no rose for the gloves. It has slow up the gloves, please. Do one or something, please.
Big batty boy on this upside. I think King them aside, King and big fish.
That devil, me don't know. You know that devil, and you have to talk that. You know that, sir. You have to talk that. Me don't know that. Me can't talk to me don't know.
In evidence that they will not show a man in khaki. Evidence that
no evidence that they listen. I see a transmission try to. Brother, me don't know about no
5 rows on
I see a transmission.
My team, go get 5 rows and please 5 rows over here, son. If we don't get the 5 rows, we not good. 5 rows.
Yeah, King and Shea. I see a thing looking what I try to do. So me not can judgment the man. Me don't know if the man and a fish bad man. Me don't know about that. Yeah, you can't program me if you can't use fish. Same thing like what some batty boy I do over here. If you can judgment youth and call them fish. How the fuck they dog? We don't work saying
the man of fish, brother.
Always have a stand out.
Listen to me. The man of big fish.
You have to talk about that different.
If you are
If you
are back king, bro.
Listen, no matter what you have to say. No matter what. Hold on, the people. It no matter what him want to tell me, say. Me no business about him where want tell me say. Me no know nothing about King. Me no know King from nowhere. Me can't come jump up and call him man no fish. Cause I see him where a transmission I try trick man. I see him where a transmission I try trick man dog. You see him where dog. So me not come make him tell me about King and no fish. Me no know that. You know. So you say my fish. You. Me not say man and no fish. Me no know the man from somewhere. Member is a transmission. Member is a transmission. Try trick me. So if it happen to another youth, me for gun judgmental them. Them me no work so bad man. Me no work so.
Me tell you what go on.
Member now. Hold on. Listen to this now. Where you know. The whole app. Listen me now. All up. The whole app. A majority of my people them. I tell me say me no fi play match today now. Cause you fish and you're gone in a real life.
Listen my people them.
Listen me no brother. Me I tell you long before brother, even before this happen. Listen what me I tell you. You see Ziggy and them man every day them man they tell me say yo, never fish every day. Me I play with him. And you know what? Every day me look on them and tell them say, pussy me tell you this. Who no can't come tell me say never fish. Me never see man a fuck party yet. Me never see them put out one video with him and a man in a bed yet. Me never see man a do certain things. There is a mad fucking boy when do anything for get infused and in cloud. So you see him like come with a different your name. I see him when we go different other youth name. If me don't see proof, if you know say I'm a batty man. So let me tell you this, me not judgmental no youth. Yeah, youth so let me tell you this now them. Stop follow people for me that you cloud and views and judgmental youth. Cause listen now, you see when on a judgmental youth, Father God just put some things to happen to you, I don't even know. I'm bringing you right down in the earth. Let me tell you,
So we
brother, don't love for judgment, no youth, fam.
Listen to what me I say. A man a fish. I ain't done.
Alright, listen. You know say my fish, me don't know, and me not call him no fish, cause me don't know the man.
Yeah. No, you know what? Listen to what me I say.
The
man is a big body.
Tally.
I'm gonna play last one and then we'll link Tally.
Brother, Dev, let me tell you my youth. You see, bring down dog is not a nice thing, you hear? So watch out, even King when you say don't do it, brother. Cause let me tell you, Dev, you will wake up tomorrow and sit pop up. And you see, you would have to delete all TikTok. 2 hours to do it. So listen, my.
No, reach me, because watch out. Me not show no boy my cocky. No boy, me not show my cocky in my
and we put things
no
in
boy.
No boy. We for reach you. Because listen what you have. You have judgment on next man, and you know in yourself say you have judgment on next man. Oh, you jump up and say man a batty man. Remember, I will up and say you a batty man in them. So, oh, you feel.
The whole of say you a batty man too.
Oh, you whole up and look clout off of me.
The whole of say you a batty man.
Look clout off of me.
Man, move your bump. The whole of say you a batty man. The whole of say you a batty man.
Them a look a clout.
The whole of say you a batty man.
Them a look a clout.
What kind of clout? Then you clout them a look off of me too.
Them a look clout and views.
Then them now look clout and views off of me when them a say that.
And that's why you know for judgment and next youth. Say you see it.
So, yeah. Where the apps me I work with? Yeah. 4 rows in the team.
You have to know what your mind and your
4 rows in the team. 4 rows.
You can't go where apps say I work with, brother. You have to know what your mind. You have to know what your mind and your
3 more. 2 more in the team. 2 more. 2 more in the team.
You can't.
1 more. Alright. Guys, use up it double there, guys. Everybody were there. Everybody were there. Use up it double. Yeah, use it up in the team.
Call yourself an idiot, you know. You say him a call me.
Use up it double in the team.
That's what me I tell you, brother. You can't put for judge people. You hear, friend? Let me tell you that, dog.
Use up it double in the team.
And you see that me always have be one youth we go educate you know and teach you certain things, you know. No matter how you don't want to listen or you don't want to listen or some things. Can you see me a youth?
I know you don't follow a new page, China, dog. How we are the pyramid?
A righteousness, me think me follow it, dog. A righteousness we deal with that.
No, use it up. I pray for him and dog. Hold on, some pussy on this in a dog. I pray you sit down and I pray man in a dog.
Watch this, you know. Yes, he said like, oh, me I tell you no. You see, if I some man in this reach with the transmission, you know what they would want to do? They would want to sit down and pray if you see the transmission. Set up a next youth where they can say, yeah man, I know me alone. No, me no work so. Me, I make it to a point of duty set this transmission you can set up a next youth. People who the on the life will never see it. So I'm sure no, who wants to see on the talk? No, I'm sure no. If I'm sure a picture and everything. This can't trick a next youth over here. People who want
from you look on that, you see a batty man there. Can you look on
it? You can't tell me nothing, man. We are going to come here.
Look on that, you see a batty man.
Live now. Look how me have a flap up on the live now. Just look here. Me I show people in the transmission and you have a ear sitting on the live. You have a ear coming. You can't tell me, say, friend, you look on this, man.
From you look on that, you see a batty man there.
No, man, you can't tell me that, man. You can't tell me that. You suck,
no, man. No, look,
you
look on your hand.
Because you know see a man, make you say so. You know a man, make you say so. Brother, Lord, we coming for talk. I know me and your time for talk. Lord, we coming. Alright, people, no look and comment, people. No look and comment. See there. Who was people that say if you never know see a transmission, this you can't know. See the people that say you cannot know. I'm a chat me I work with. See the people that say you can't tell. People that say you can't know. People that say ask him which man dress up. See the him a look company all look. See the Gully Dan. Long block you, Gully Dan. All the block here. People see there. You know look people. Them a boy can't tell we nothing. See dirty thinking transmission there. Yeah? See dirty drinking transmission there, people. You know look. I dirty thinking transmission that. Here people, you know look. I dirty thinking transmission that. So tell me now, if you is a youth and you don't know say it's a transmission that in yourself in a real life and know say it's a transmission that, how you gonna know?
Come and say that you know say a batty boy.
That are you alone because you know them too much. Me don't know them, so me never know them, so. Nah, man, me never know them, so like how you know them. You know them too much. You know them too good. Me can't know them, so because me not affiliated with transmission, so me can't know them, so. From me look one that is a woman, me a look one. You can't tell me more from me look one that a man, me a see. You must be a blood clot, man. Me can't see no man there, so. Oh. Tally say fi add him. Me can't see no man there, so. That me a tell you, brother.
Tally look like you are matching it.
Tally in a match or sitting down. Yeah. We can't see no blood clot man there, son. Yeah. No, we can't delete the picture. Or if we delete the bomb clot picture, what we have for sure? Yeah?
No, brother, across is that you're bringing their phone, bro, and destruction.
Yeah, and you can't tell me that. All, party boy, who can't set me up over here now? Who can't set me, let me tell you, you see any of me delete, you see any of me delete the video them and the text them and everything, me get fuck over here, party boy. I show me have my statement in my phone, me have everything in my phone, so nothing, every text, everybody see everything from a final to a transmission, I crash out and get dark on that and start this is
brother, I cry so that,
me have my phone,
listen me man, me I tell you how you set up bro.
My phone, but
my youth, across is that you're bringing your soul, delete that youth.
Brother, you can't tell me not, tell me how my proof, you
delete that bro, across is that youth.
Tell me how my proof, you can't make me delete them here. You're mad, batty boy, that you want, that's when somebody come from my life and say, Sass, show we proof now, make me really see, me now I'm not for sure, but suck your mother them. You think you can't set me up over here? Eh, but delete, you think you can't set me up, pussy? All of you, them have to see this and know this.
4 rows there. Guys, 4 rows there. 4 rows in the field.
Yeah, tell me about Bumbo Club. Yeah, tell me about Bumbo.
One more than the team, one more.
Delete.
Let me tell you this, dog.
No.
One more. Brother, yesterday somebody come up in my life, dog. And when you come in my life, one more rose, the dog say, yo. Dog, you know me did a red cup of sauce, dog.
No, listen, me not me not look great. Tell somebody that say. Listen, me now. Tell somebody that say. Listen, when me
and the man say me lose off a cup of sauce.
Somebody, no, me don't want to hear. Me don't want to hear the message from nobody. Listen me, me I give a message to them. Tell them say don't rate me. Me don't want to rate me. Tell them and they never do certain things. Me don't want to rate me, brother. Dev, me don't want nobody over here rate me. From what you do to me with Naya over here, so pussy, me don't want to ratings over here, so no, you don't have to rate me. Suck out to no matter all I want. Me don't want to ratings, bad man. Me don't want it. Tell him keep it. Dave, tell him keep that. Me don't need that. Keep it. Me don't need no ratings from. Tell him keep that. I do not need that. Keep for them ratings. Me alright, yes, so me there. Me don't need for them ratings. You think they can't stop them here? Yeah? You think they can't stop them here, batty boy? You think they can't stop them here? You think a batty money them here? You think they can't stop them here? Me don't need the boy and girl ratings over here them. Let me teach you them thing, my friend. Boy and girl ratings can't help me over here, so. Boy and girl ratings now give me kind over here, so. Boy and girl ratings now make me better off over here, so. My gifts as them and my support as them make me better off over here, so. What you tell me about boy and girl? But rate too. But suck out them mother and rate me. Me I idiot.
No, listen when you rate me. It's just like how I get chat because
the same set of people them where I tell you that. Remember then they rate me and when time they hear me name call up on Naya, they mix me up and they rate me again. Till they come around and
so the man never talk up. The man say, yo, when the dog never talk up,
me don't want him to rate me. They tell him me don't want him to rate me. Simple.
Back it up. Brother, he must stop us sucking woman.
Tell him say him me don't want him
rate me. The dog say what house him come from him.
Tell him say me don't want. Tell the dog say go suck out the mother. Tell the dog say
listen me now, Sass.
Tell the dog say.
The dog say come from water house.
Listen me. Me not care a which man. Listen me now, Dev. Me not care a which man or me not care a who.
No, ask me.
Listen what me say. Tell the dog the way I tell you say in the rate me say sack up a sauce say go sucking thinking mama. You real mama too. You don't want to ratings for no boy and girl over here. I think no come down so. Listen to what I deal with ratings for the app, brother. Dev, me not deal with ratings for the app. Me no want a boy and girl rate me. Me deal with followers and supporters. And them two set of people me deal with over here. Me not deal with no boy we are rate or no boy we are come for. Yeah, their favorite content creator or no boy we are come for. Yeah, their favorite this and they love what you know. Me don't need that over here. So a two set of people me affiliated with over here. Me followers them and me supporters them and them no want rate me. Anytime when them say them no rate me now, me know say me they ain't a problem. Now tell me about thinking boy and girl when I benefit me over here. What the fuck me boy? What you tell me about boy and girl?
Brother, the man this say, watch out, bro. The man come from White House.
Brother, skip the story there. Skip the story there, because I don't want to hear about the brother there. Me no, go on something different. Me don't want to imitate my brother. Not at all when I go talk to me, no one.
But watch out, y'all lose people just because. That's what I say. Apologize. Just apologize, bro. Apologize.
Who are those people? Patty boy, who are those people? Patty boy, who are those people? You see me turn on my life one day, yet my blood clot people in the day and support me. Who are those people? Patty boy, this can't make me lose nobody from around me. My people know Sasa real general. Sasa real.
Brother, you have to lose a lot of people, bro.
No, me not lose nobody. Me have to lose who me fi lose the fake people.
Alright,
Go suck your mother. Go lose lot of people. Go suck your mother. Go lose lot of people. Everyone we are true believer. Ourselves we believe in a boy and girl. How fi lose real people? Fuck me, man. How fi lose real people? Go suck your mother, yeah, man. Go lose people from around them. I think me and you the same thing, man. Me a bad boy in a real life. Nobody come mix me and you. Let me tell you that. Nicky and I'm a baby, big up. Everybody where they are bought up the screen and I send a rose, big up on yourself. Don't come tell me about lose nobody, Susie Boss Lady. Don't tell me Father Mikey, big up. Don't come tell me about lose people from around you like you think people around me are pussy clad help me. You think Maga crowd help you? Yeah, we have bumbo clad 500 somebody by your life, out of 500 somebody, and 3 people up on your life I give you. When the bumbo clad you come and tell me about people over here, so. Yeah, hey boy, I think I forgot what they do me over here with Naya situation, pussy for 3 months straight. Make me lose all my main page with all my 1,500 USD lighters and sitting. Dev, let me tell you this, me not like no batty boy and no big pussy girl over this. Let me tell you that so they not feel like me and they not feel rate me and then can go and dip on my name all they want. Me know what me know and the real people they know what they know. So listen,
brother,
you see from me know what me know.
Brother, me lose a lot of talks too, bro. Me lose a lot of talks too, bro. That's why me I tell you, say that don't make a mistake now and feel like say. It don't matter, bro. Me I tell you, say lose a lot of talks and a lot of people, bro. When one buffalo dog, we don't listen to one man talk, bro.
Now mix me with you, never you do that. Don't try mix me and you. Me and you are the same. Dev, never you mix me and you together. Now mix me and you are you. Dev are dev, sauce. Now mix me and you. What you lose me no matter me. Bad man, what you lose no matter me. Me and you are the same. Me can't lose nobody. You're popular. Like me and you are the same. Me and you are the same. Me and you are the same gunman. Yeah, me I tell you that slow your fuck. Him boring, man. Boy lose. Me I see him. Yeah. People want 2 more rows, you know. Me I see him gunman. Alright, watch out. Look what me I try show you. Alright, Nicky and all them thing a simple example. Look what me I try show you. Look at now. Look at now.
I told my backup pages, Packy boy, if I'm a man. So use up it up. Use up it up. Use up it up. Use up it up. Then put straight down support. Then have support like
yo, that's why. Yo, me have to go start play silent game with you. You see why me always want to play silent game with you? Because you just love chat down. Me I try show you a topic little while. Sure, you don't add people over here and a 3 rows of one and we don't catch your speed. Bro, and everybody where you see, they are
alright, quiet then, no. Yeah, we are playing quiet game.
No, I can't hear you.
No, let me talk, no, bro. You say quiet game. Just let me talk, no, bro.
No, I can't hear you, man. What's the next year?
Brother, you can't, brother. So, brother, then you can spend up money. Bro, just put up a score. Just go talk then. Quiet game. Let me talk. Make a team. Whoever over there so rate you put up a score. Cause you don't have no ratings in that. Me tell you this. Somebody come up in my box yesterday and say, bro, you know some rate cup of sauce, dog. I mean, love youth energy, bro. I mean, the dog say me come from White House, and I see them youth there. Them youth they used to be dancer before, and they tell me a history that. I'm say, hey.
No boy can't tell them history, man.
Wait, bro. Quiet game we are play, dog. Put up score, then the dog. And the dog say, yo, rate the dog, you know, bro. This when the dog think they are up and there, me they are back it dog. Because me know a dog like that. This what me I say, dog I say, me know a dog like that. Then, batty thing, bro. Brother.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Alright, well I know. So what you say no? Alright. Me hear it.
Put up score, then the dog. What you have to
what you must say no, but Dave, that way I say no fears me, I don't give one fuck with it.
No, wait, no. More play.
Wait, you need to get my understanding. I don't give a fuck. So him just all forward by your life now, I'm wasting time at that, because I don't want the ratings. And that me I tell you, bro.
No, but I talk to them, man.
What do you mean? No.
A gangster. You are bad boy.
I don't need him ratings. Bad man, I don't need him ratings, my friend. I don't need it. Tell him to keep that. Keep that. I'm going to suck him mama with him. In real mama too.
Them you are bad boy and real nice you.
So that's why I can't make. So that's, listen, me know me a bad boy in a real life. So listen, no matter what the media gonna talk, say it's not gonna get me down.
Bro, you need links, dog. And if at the end of the day, bro.
Who need links? That's the man there. Who have the money? Who have the money? Yeah.
One Benita, baby, thank you very much. Benita, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Guys, we are playing quiet today, guys. Him now make me talk and me now make him talk either. Because no boy can't talk over me. Guys.
I don't need the links from nobody there.
Guys, one money gun shot.
My links. We don't need no more links from
No, brother.
You don't walk and seek links a road from boy and girl. Jeff, listen, we don't walk and seek links from boy and girl. We have every links. We have every links what we have in life. We don't need the links from no boy and no girl over here. Me don't need the link. Me don't want it. Me don't want it. Keep that link. Father, keep that link. No, please, Father. Me don't want no link from no boy and no girl. Father, keep it. Me don't want it.
Watch out.
Father, me don't want it. I do not need it. It can't help me. It can't benefit me. Me don't need no help from no boy and girl over here.
Yeah, try to tell you, listen up, bro. Sometimes we do things, bro. No, listen me now. Sometimes we do things, bro. Our things happen to them. You see, real people, them now. Real people, them we love with them. Drift from wrong with them.
Not we. You do things, no we.
Sometimes we do things that and real people, them we tell them for drift from wrong with them. Yeah, try to tell you, you're a cheap trading card.
Listen to me. It's a difference, Batman, you do things.
Guys, 4 rows, guys. 4 rows, guys.
Just in case. Wait for the speed.
Guys, 4 more rows.
Tap it nice for my money.
2 more. One more.
Tap it nice for my money, Batman. The man still attack on the money. Listen what me I tell you, man. I'm going to tell you this again, man. People, 2 more rows. Watch out. Look there. 328 people are still going to get 4 rows. So that me I tell you. That's what me I try to show you yesterday. This is what me I try to show you yesterday. We don't need people that. You see, fake people and irrelevant people, we don't need them. We need
use up the 3 times, don't make him shut up there. Use up the 3 times, don't make him company with him. Let me tell you something, use up the 3 times the people. Use up the 3 times, don't make him come up with him. Don't make him come up. There's enough of them man that we see in the streets, bro. We don't know them, but them know we dog. I dog rate you, bro. I dog lose a lot of respect for you, dog. And
Stop it, guys. Yo. Listen, man. You see, our thing in the street and a game. Our thing in the street and a joking. We need some little boy in the street to rate we. I tell you that. Fuck their ratings. And that me still a try tell you. That me have come up that. We don't need some little boy ratings in on the street. That man no body. Them thing them I try to tell you. There is nobody will need their ratings and can keep it. My wife and I move seven. They hear that. They come and tell you about boy and girl a street. Boy and girl a street no hold it. Yeah? Boy and girl a street when they see they can't even come in with circle or bumbuckler. Let me tell you that dog. They can't even come nowhere near where they can stand up. When boy and girl see we a street. They think we are normal people, they've my youth. Yeah? Oh, I'm telling you dog, man, no boy, no girl no face we over here.
Listen to what I say now, bro. You see man we usually see we and rate with dog. And them hear any cap on certain things, bro. Them drop ratings here, dog. If you name the cop a murder or something, people then just fly past that. But when Batty, bro, man, no man never rated. So I understand, that's why I say to you, dog, say, bro, it's just a misunderstood one. I dog say, you know, say if Copper Sauce come out as a man and apologize to dog, we forgive him. But the pussy
nice. Oh, it's happy nice. Oh, you. Happy nice, no? Brother, happy nice, no? My happy nice, no, brother? As well, me I try to tell you, say, gunman. What I blink of beauty, big up. Everybody big up. Nicky Anna, big up. Father Justin Case, big up. Everybody we are saying a Rose, big up on himself. Respect our man. Susie Boss Lady, big up. Sky's the limit, big up. This one me I tell you, say, no, boy and girl keep their ratings over here. After what they do me with Naya, it no matter where we got through over here, some of the business where they want to talk to. I just that more you keep in your head and know that in your brain. So listen, boy and girl could have rate me a little more. Boy and girl could have talk who they can't stop. Stop who? Yeah? They can't stop this Copper Sauce, man. No matter how they try. We are born fighter.
Then you got ears, big up on yourself, you know. Then you got ears, big up on yourself.
Yeah. From like this, you don't know who we be. We are born fighter that will never give up. Big up everybody where they are shoot. Everybody where you send a rose. Big up on yourself. Blink of beauty. Sky is the limit. Nicky and a Father Mikey. DJ Rataproof. VIP. Everybody big up on yourself. Brother, we don't look ratings, dog. We don't need that. That can't help we. You hear? I guess we don't live to get ratings. So that's why I don't live for people. Me don't live for boy and girl. Me live for me 3 little son them when me get in a life. 3 little son. I mean, I have to make sure they're active and make sure they're alright. You see, from them not alright, me not alright. You see, as long as them active, me active. What you can tell me about boy and girl and ratings over here? I apologize. Apologize to your bumbuckler. That to me, so we agree then. Apologize to what and to who? Yo, you don't come on my screen, come tell me that one next time, yeah? In next time you tell me that, brother, listen what me I say now. In next time you tell me that on my screen, brother. Brother, don't come on my screen, don't ever mention that out of your mouth again. Because you will never see that happen, brother. Never in your lifetime. But apologize.
No man, no bigger than apology. Who bigger than apology? Who bigger than that?
Not this apology, not this type of
even the government do.
Not this
Sometimes
type
the
of
government
apology.
make mistake. And the government say him apologize to him people them. So who bigger than apology? If you come out and say you're sorry bro, sorry for do certain things, people, Jamaica people will love you and forgive you, bro. People will love you and forgive you, bro.
One man, me I understand.
Brother, me apologize to you, man.
Who are you?
What make you think you people in Stockholm fish? Because me apologize.
Yes, because I you that I hear thing them there. Watch this now. Remember numerous times your name call up on it here.
You me apologize, bro.
I first one of them a little dirty thinking transmission here try drinks mine.
4 rows on my team, 4
Let's
rows.
apologize to boy and girl. Not here.
3 more rows on my
Fuck
team.
you, boy.
3 more
Tell me
rows.
about apology. Oh, yeah.
2 more on my team, 2
Tell
more.
me about apologize to boy.
2 more on my team, 2 more. 1 more. Brother,
People need 4 rows.
once you apologize to these people, bro,
No way, man.
you will see support go up and you see say you get enough people that rate you, dog. Respect you, love you, cherish you. You see if you don't apologize, bro, people now go rate it, because them a say, what, him fuck up and feel like say, him right?
Yeah,
Him right?
oi. Me and you stay, man. Me and you stay, but they still don't live over here. Oh, who don't live for that over here? Me don't live for that over here. Let me tell you that. Yeah, me don't live for that over here. Boy and girl keep their respect on their church and not suck their mother with it. Me don't need it. When you come and tell me about respect and church, respect and
no, me I got show them. Me I got show them.
respect and church. You don't need that gun,
me
man.
I show them, bro.
Fuck.
Quiet game we are playing.
Me support us them for respect and church. Me no need
No.
respect and church.
Listen me. A quiet game we are playing. Let me tell you something.
Boy and girl with the outside of thing.
No, wait now. Yeah, quiet thing, bro.
Other streamer, other content creator, me no need for them.
Hear me after. You talk about your people, them now. You don't have nobody over there so we rate you, we respect you. Nobody not like you over there, so bro. Bring down people them over there, so. You see over my team, bro. Me, look at listen to me talk, no. Brother, quiet game, put up score in the top. If people rated them, they put up a score, no. If people they rated them, they put up a score. Nobody not like you, bro. Just listen to me, I tell you. Listen, at the end of the day is, bro. You, of all person, come here, so bro. All you need to do apologize and people rate it, bro. Me apologize. Me never beg Marky Marl and no money, but me do it for viral on the club. And me come back and apologize to my people, bro. And apologize to Jamaica community too. For a fish up, for a try to fish up them name. You know, do what you do, bro. Apologize to me, the Jamaica community.